Pala kami dun sa may booth kanina. End of the day, nag-rain wig ako, tapos nag-makeup ako. Grabe nakikita niya, pero ayan. Then, black na romper. At last, nagkita na kami ni Ate Hazel. After me na pink ka. Barbie Barbie. Yes! So, ayan ang ating vlogger PH bag. Ayan, si Thea. Si Mami Debs. Ayan. Instagram. Charis. Hi, I'm Jenny. Andrea Kalito. Grabe ang hirap mag-vlog. It's currently 7 and hindi pa rin nag-start, so nag-vlog siya ngayon. Hindi pa rin siya nag-start. Start ka na. Ano na? Mag-vlog ka na. Actually, magkikita dapat kami yan sa home. Hindi kami nagkita. Malis siya agad. Pero ayun, yung iba namin kasama, kumakain sila and hihintay lang namin sila. Ayan na, dumating na yung isa kong kasama. Yes, tamang week lang. Mga naka-week eh. Yes, paano mo naman yung ano mo, jewels mo? Ayan guys, nalaman na kami. So, ayan yung mga pagkain nila. Merong umami, truffle, seared, tenderloin. Ang social ng pagkain nila, parmesan, something. Tapos yan, meron din silang chocolate, truffle cake. Nag-photoshoot lang kami ngayon. Ano ba yun? May mga, ano ba tawag dito? Ano siyang bar, tapos mga neon something. Mga neon lights. Ang ganda.
Just as you guys thought, I'm excited as well. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for our first performer tonight. To show you what I mean, our first performer gave us the legendary Let's Kill This Love.
This queen will serve you with danza with a personality that's bigger than body. Ladies and gentlemen, Jaber Kalman.
Kamusta na kayo dyan? Wala nang ginagawa. Wala na daw yung curfew. Guys, nakita na ulit kami. Wala kami picture ng AB, kaya dapat picture na kami. Nanalo kami. Pero hindi namin alam kung paano kami pupunta. Paano na pupunta sa Cebu? Kami Cebu.
upon audience impact. So the audience will decide who will win the trip to Cebu, 10,000 from KKD, and 2,000 from Snoe Beauty. Okay. Feeling the fantasy, honey. I can see the realness over here.
Getting better every day. I don't cook, I don't wash dishes, and I do not do windows. Cause I'm a diva. I like shopping. I hate going to the grocery store. I hate washing clothes.
We plan to do this every year. But next year, can we be super #extra? I want everybody to be super dressed, super made up,
Skeletor back in high school. The reason why I love drag so much is because you can actually transform yourself to who you want to be. Right? You can change your hair. You can do whatever. You can wear fabulous clothes. And that's the reason why I love drag so much. It's actually an art form. In case you don't know, and in case you're wondering, I'm already 42 years old. I'm turning 43 this year. I have 4 kids. Four kids. And I have a 24. And in fact, it was his birthday just a few days ago. My son, Gabe, was actually the one who created the musical score. Okay, I want a bigger applause. Come on, guys. It is about self-love. Okay. And what does RuPaul always say whenever you watch RuPaul's Drag Race? Right? Oh, what does RuPaul say? Who here loves RuPaul? Okay, Didi, what does RuPaul say?
If you can't love yourself, how the hell are you gonna love somebody else? Can I get an amen for that?
Unahin mo muna yung sarili mo bago yung iba. I mean, kahit ang gwapo-gwapo ni Ate Charles.
I'm with my vlogger PH bag. So, ayan. Sigaw na. Patapos sa event. Yan, tapos na yung event and nagpipicture-picture lang kami. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Hey guys, so kakauwi ko lang and ayun, tinanggal ko na yung wig ko kasi sobrang kati niya na. But anyways, bago pala ako matulog guys, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung nakuha ko galing sa Snowy Ball. Ayan siya. So, meron dito yung napanalunan ko, yung trip to Cebu ba to, yung spa treatment na hindi ko alam if makakapunta ako doon kasi, 'di ba, ang layo. Then, next naman is itong marshmallows. Ayan. This is from the brand KKD. Then, yung mga nandito naman is yung mga products galing sa Snowy. So, meron tayo ditong What's Up Brow. Ayan. Then, itong saan na yun? Itong Rouge Deluxe na lipstick. Ayan, lipstick. Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Last but not the least is itong What's Up Brow na eyebrow embroidery. Ayun guys. So, ito yung nakalagay. Thank you for coming to the Snowball. We're so thrilled to have a fun night together. Ayan. So, thank you so much for inviting me and if magkakaroon ulit, excited ako para makeover, syempre. Hindi ko na papatagalin tong vlog na to, pero thank you guys for watching this vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo to, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you wanna see more videos like this, just click that subscribe button down below. If may video suggestions kayo na gusto nyo gawin ko, comment nyo lang kung ano yon. Thank you again guys for watching, and see you on my next one.